Welcome to AGentV, your intelligent companion for generating access control policies with ease. AGentV is built on a cutting-edge framework that uses large language models to understand your access control requirements and turn them into machine-executable policies. But it doesn't stop there. With AgentMe, you can also refine incorrect policies, test them right within the tool, and finally download them to integrate with your organization's access control system. Let's jump in and see how it works. Imagine you've just started as the system administrator at a hospital. Your job is to create policies for a new digital health record system, making sure doctors, nurses, and other staff have access to the right medical records, while keeping unauthorized users out. Now, you might not know every user role or access rule right away, but no worries, you've been handed two documents: a high-level requirement specification and the hospital's organizational hierarchies. The requirement spec describes in plain English who should access what and when. The org hierarchy tells you about the different roles, actions, and resources the hospital has. Once you log into AgentV, you'll see a welcoming home screen with several clear options. Since you're just starting, click Generate from a document. But AgentV needs context to generate accurate policies. So, upload the organizational hierarchy first. AgentV will analyze it and show you a neat graph of roles, actions, and resources. This helps the system understand exactly what it's working with. And if your hospital updates roles later, no problem, you can re-upload the hierarchy anytime. Now upload your policy document and hit Generate. AgentV will convert its access requirements into formal policies. Once it's done, you'll see a summary of the policy generation process. If everything looks good, follow the feedback pop-up to head over to the Access Control Policies page to review them. But say you only want to generate a single policy quickly. Just go to the Generate from a Sentence page. Type your access requirement in plain English and click Generate. AgentV will try to create the right policy for it. It even double-checks its own work, comparing the policy with your original sentence. If there's a mismatch, it will try refining the policy automatically, and if it still isn't quite right, AgentV will let you know and direct you to fix it manually. That brings us to the Incorrect Access Control Policies page. Here, you'll see what went wrong and why. You get the original access requirement, the generated policy broken down into subject, action, resource, purpose, and condition, and helpful feedback explaining the issue. Just follow the suggestion, like changing a role to LT, for example, and click Submit. With that done, go to the Access Control Policies page. If you're ever unsure about what a page does, just click the question mark icon for help. On this page, all your generated policies are neatly listed. You can publish them all at once, one by one, or pick and choose which to submit to AgentV's internal policy database. Once published, go to the Test Policies page. This is where you can test your policies by sending access requests through AgentV's built-in Policy Decision Point, or TDP. This helps to check whether or not your policies result in the intended effect. Say you want to check if patients can view full medical records. Select Patient as the subject, View as the action, and Full medical records as the resource. Then click Send. AgentV will run the request through the active policies and show you the result, like aloud. Want to see how your policies are distributed? Head over to the Visualize Policies page. You'll get a nice, clear access matrix showing how everything maps out. Finally, when you're confident that your policies are solid, go to the Download Policies page. Pick your preferred format, XACML or JSON, and download the policies to your computer. They're now ready to be integrated into your organization's authorization system. And that's AgentV. From plain English requirements to executable, testable, and visualized policies, AgentV makes it easy to manage access control like a pro.